Bitcoin just broke out of this massive falling wedge formation on the daily time frame. What is going to be next for Bitcoin this week? I will look at the CME gap with you guys, and of course I will look at some other time frames with you. I also want to have a look at some altcoins. I want to look at Fetch AI with you. I want to have a look at VeChain, and the last altcoin I want to discuss with you is Cardano. Let's dive right into the charts. On Friday, Bitcoin closed the week on $62,783 US. And the CME gap is still open, as you can see. We are trading currently below the $64,000. So what I expect for Bitcoin is that we are going to see a close of this gap in this week. So this could be today, but this could also be on Friday. Because Bitcoin always tends to close these gaps. And currently we are trading almost $1,500 above it. So I expect that we are going to close. Of course we can see a further gain from here, but most of the times the gap gets closed. So be prepared that we are going to see this level. It could also be that we are going to touch this level and then right bounce off this level again and aim for higher prices. And if we then have a look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see Bitcoin is ranging in this support area, and on the top side we can see a lot of resistance points. And currently we are trying to break the resistance, and if we are breaking this resistance to the top side, it will of course be bullish. But if we are going to see a big rejection from this point, then we have to aim for lower prices again. And keep in mind that the gap also must be closed, so that will be around this level. I expect a little bit of downside from here, but if we are going to break bullish, of course that will be very good to see. And what we are going to see after that is we are going to see a confirmation of the bullish break and turn this resistance area into support. And from this point you can maybe enter a long in the market, because that will be a beautiful long trade after a good confirmation. And we can see a little bit more upside from here, because if we gain this resistance level, that's very bullish. And if you're interested in trading these kind of breakouts, you can see in the link in the description, you can see the link of Bybit. You can also see the link of CoinW. CoinW is an exchange where you don't need KYC, and they have a lot of altcoins you can trade there. So just click the link and sign up with your credentials, and you can just start trading. The most interesting chart I'm looking at is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. I've been discussing this pattern for a long time now. We can see a big run up, a huge consolidation, and currently we are breaking above this resistance trend line. So if we see a break like this, I always expect that we are going to see a retest of the resistance to turn it into support. And what we can expect a little bit price action like this. And it will also be confluent with the closing of the CME gap. So then we retest this previous resistance as a support, and from there we can aim for higher prices. If this previous resistance is getting tested as support and the support is strong enough to hold, we are going to see bullish price action for Bitcoin after the retest, because that is very healthy price action. And also I've been talking about this RSI breakout for a while now. We can see a huge downtrend on this RSI formation. We broke out on last Friday, and we can see that it's confluent with the breakout of this pattern. We also can see here a retest of the previous resistance to turn into support, and it will be confluent with this one. And then maybe we can shoot further up, and that will also be confluent with the bullish price action on the chart. Also, I want to have a look at this other daily time frame formation for Bitcoin. We can see a huge resistance-less support area here. We fell below the area, but Bitcoin was strong enough to regain this area and hold the support. So the breakdown is invalidated, and we can see here we are breaking above the resistance support again. And what I expect is that we're going to see a little bit downside from here, close the gap, the CME gap, retest that level as support. And then support needs to be strong enough so that we can aim for higher levels again. And what I also want to see, because we are currently in this downtrend, we can see a high, a low, a lower high, and a lower low, that we are going to see a higher high from this point, and that we are going to see a trend reversal from here. And because the trend needs to be reversed in order to become bullish. 2 days ago I talked about this FET formation, Fetch AI, when we were here, and I was expecting a breakout for fetch. And currently we broke out of the pattern, and yeah, we can see a big pump after the breakout. And my price target for fetch will be the top side of the formation, which is confluent with around the 3.3 US dollars, and that will be a 55% increase from the breakout. And currently we're already up for almost 14%, so that's huge. So congratulations if you traded this breakout. You can also expect maybe a little bit downside after this, because we see a big pump, but the breakout is not getting retested. So we can also see a retest of this previous resistance as support. But yeah, if you're already in position, then you just maybe can take some profits on the way, of course, or you can just trade it all the way up to the top side target. VeChain is another interesting altcoin I'm always looking at. We can see VeChain fell below this huge support/resistance area. On the top side we can see multiple touch points on the trendline resistance, but yeah, we fell below this support area, and currently we are making a retest of this area to turn it into resistance, and that is a very bearish retest if VeChain doesn't regain this level. So if this resistance is too strong, we are going to see downside from here, and yeah, you have to be very cautious, because this bearish retest is not very good to see. Either if we are going to gain this level, we can become bullish again, but for now we have to be bearish. And also you can see it like this on the daily chart for VeChain. We can see this falling wedge formation on the daily time frame. We can see multiple touch points on the top side and also on the downside. But currently we're seeing a little bit of a break. So yeah, it could also be possible that we are going to see trend reversal from here, that we are going to make a new high, a new higher low, and then a higher high. And yeah, if we break out this top side, the top side of the formation will be the target, and that will be around the 5 cents again. So yeah, this could also be a very bullish pattern if you see it like this. But yeah, don't forget that we are also having this huge support area that we fell below, and that we are currently making a bearish retest. Let's then have a look at Cardano. Cardano is also in this huge consolidation formation. We can see on the top side multiple touch points, and also on the downside touch points of support. And yeah, this pattern is coming to an apex, and we are currently almost breaking out. So what I want to see, of course, I want to see a break of this pattern and a daily close above this trendline resistance to confirm the breakout. And if we break out, the target for the breakout will be the top side of the formation, and that will be around here. So that will be around the 80 cents or something. And from the point of breakout to that breakout target, that will be around more than 73%. So that's insane. So if you want to trade this breakout, you have to wait for a daily close above the resistance line. Then we need to see a retest of the previous resistance to turn it into support, and from there you can enter the market in a long. But don't forget to take profits on your way to the top, and of course this will be the end target for this breakout. But of course a possibility is that we're going to see a rejection from this point, and that we are going to see the lower side trend line support again. So yeah, you have to enter the market after a confirmation of the breakout. I hope you liked this video. Smash a like if you found this video useful, and comment under this video to support the channel. You can also subscribe to my channel to never miss a video in the future. You can also follow me on X, where I post content about Bitcoin and also crypto in general, of course. I will highlight some altcoins with you on a daily basis. Yeah, just crypto news in general. This was it for today. Have a good week, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.